What's up, y'all? So today I'm going to be showing y'all how I customize and brand my bundles and hair and stuff when I get it. So this is some inventory. I've already opened it because I had to sell some of it. But so this is my beginner wigs, and this is my raw Vietnamese straight here. Let's just unbox everything. Okay, so this is 16 to 28 inches, like 3 bundles of each. And this is 3 wigs, which one of the wigs is what I'm wearing now. This is a 12-inch. So what I'll do is take off everything that they put on the bundles. What I have here is a box of cards. So the cheapest way to get hang tags is to buy a box of business cards. And instead of having the business card sideways, you design it to be straight up and down. So on these cards, I have my logo, and at the bottom, it's not picking up on camera, but at the bottom is my Instagram and my website. Yeah, it's not focusing. So and I have it double-sided, so it's the same thing on both sides. You can get 500 of these for $10 at Staples. FedEx does it as well, it's just a little bit more expensive. I used to always get them from FedEx before I found out about Staples. Then what you want to get is, well, what I use. What I use is a tag gun. I guess that's what this called. And then these, really don't know what these are called, but you buy the tag gun and then you buy these that you tag with. What I'll do is just like get a deck of cards out. This is like the quickest way to me, because you're doing all this by hand, and if you have like a bulk of inventory or a bulk of orders, it could take you a long time because you're doing this all, manually. You don't have your vendor do it for you. So this is the quickest way I know how to do it. So I'll take a deck of the cards and I'll count what I have. So like I said, this is 16 through 28 inches, and I know I have 3 bundles of each length. So I'll just go and write 16, 16, 16 on each of the cards, and then write 3 18 cards, 3 20 cards. So then once I have all my cards numbered, I'll open the packs one at a time and start to label them. This pack that I have open is 22 inches. I'll take the 22-inch card and my tag gun. Make sure it's loaded, obviously. And I'll stick it through the weft. And punch it. So when my vendor sends me the wigs, this is how it looks, just in a plain plastic bag. They put the net around it and the paper inside, and oh, that's really cool. Like I don't really mind that. Like I put that back on, but this tag, this just is like what the wig is. So it says closure wig, 22 inches, and the texture that it is. So I just ripped that off. And I do the same thing right on all the cards, but for the wigs. But I'm just gonna do one for the sake of this video. So then I just, at the edge, let me put the baby hairs back. At the edge of the lace, I'll just stick it through. Cause they're gonna cut that lace off anyways. Don't do it like up into the hairline. So yeah. Let's tag it. That is some bomb lace. You can see through it. Period. Oh, the number is on the other side. Yeah, so once I go through and tag everything, then I'm gonna show you guys my way of packing the actual order. So these are my, I don't know what you call these. They're like flyer cards or postcards. But I got these at Vistaprint. It was like 1,000 or 500 for a good price. So on the front, it's a picture of 3 girls wearing 3 different textures of hair, and it has my website, and it says send us your fine girl selfies, and then it has our Instagram right there. And usually on the back I'll put promo codes that's going on at the time. So I put one of these in the bag, which these are my bags. They're just a platinum silver bag with my logo and my website at the bottom. Then also I have another box of business cards, okay, printed out the same way. So in each of my orders I give a card that has a motivational quote on it. So for example, this one says, I don't know if it will focus, okay. It says the greatest lesson a woman should learn is that she's already had everything she needs within herself. It's the world that's convinced her she has not. I really like that. So yeah, so I put the cards, I put the hair, I put the inspirational message, and the promo codes are on the back of the card. So I'm about to tag all these up, and then I'm going to show you guys my setup. And I just want to point out too an example. So with raw hair, each bundle is completely cut from one person's head. Therefore, the density of each bundle is going to be different, as well as if it was like a wavy or raw pattern, each curl would be different. Like no bundle will have the same curl pattern. So I just want to show you an example. So this one is a little thicker than this one. You can see, but they are the same. I have all my bundles tagged. So this is a clothes rack. And these are some hooks. I got these from Amazon. So it's a pack of 20 hooks. I'll hook the bundle and hang it. And I'll do this from shortest to longest. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.